Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find your CPU temperature on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a simple process and very useful, especially if you play games or want to keep an eye on your system's performance. First, there are two free tools you can use, MSI Afterburner, and the other one is Core Temp. If you already play video games, you might already have MSI Afterburner installed. Core Temp is another lightweight tool that focuses mainly on your CPU temperature. Once Core Temp is open, you'll immediately see your CPU temperature displayed in Celsius. For example, you might see something like 50 degrees Celsius, which is normal under light to moderate load. If you want to use MSI Afterburner, open the software and click on the Settings icon. From there, go to the Monitoring tab. Scroll down until you find CPU temperature. Then tick the option that says Show in on Screen Display and Show in System Tray. You can do the same thing for GPU temperature if you want to monitor both. After applying the changes, go to your system tray by clicking the small up arrow near the clock, and you'll see your CPU and GPU temperatures listed there in real time. If you don't have these tools installed, you can easily download them. Open your browser and search for MSI Afterburner on Google, go to first link and then download it from the official website. For Core Temp, search Core Temp and download it from the official ALCPU website. Install both programs, open them, and you'll be able to monitor your temperatures instantly. MSI Afterburner is especially useful for gamers because it shows GPU usage, CPU temperature, and even allows you to adjust fan speeds or enable on-screen monitoring while gaming. Core Temp, on the other hand, is great if you just want a simple and clean view of your CPU temperature, and that's it. So that's basically how you can find your CPU temperature on Windows 11 or 10 PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.